How to deactivate Facebook. First of all, open your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this icon right here and then move into Settings. Tap on See More in Account Center. Inside Account Settings, head over to Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. The option of deactivation or deletion will appear. Tap on it and then tap on your profile. Select Deactivate Account and tap on Continue. Once again, tap on Continue. Enter the password of your Facebook account and then tap on Continue. State the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Let me just select any of the reason from here and then tap on Continue. Scroll down and tap right here. Once again, scroll down and tap on Don't Deactivate Automatically and then tap on Continue. Now scroll down to the bottom and the option of Deactivate My Account will be visible to you. Once you are ready to deactivate your account, tap on it and your account will be deactivated successfully. You can reactivate your account just by logging to your Facebook account and you'll be good to go. So this is the end of the video and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.